When I'm marketing for a plumber, I look for Panache, which is why I like to market for a plumber like Peter. You see, Peter had Panache, style, grit, and a suave way about his logo and branding that turned the heads of everyone in town. It was like his business was wearing shades and muscles year-round. So how do you do that for a business? Well, first, you need to be found on Google, but then you also need to be interesting on social. And that's an element often missing in marketing. You can say, we're your local plumber, or you can say something different, like this. Your dad is a terrible plumber, and we won't tell him that you called us. Marketing should be fun for people to take part in it. So if you're a plumber, give your marketing some panache.